guys, the cute sounds of Rosie. Poke, 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 poke. Oh my. Make a cute noise for the camera. Oh. You have straws? So I have my straws in a cute baby voice. You are so silly. No, come back here, you. Fall over. Wait, fall again, fall again. Fall again. Do the King of Egypt dance. Do the Prince of Egypt dance. Oh, which work? Do the Prince of Egypt dance. The one that goes like blah 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 blah. Oh my gosh! V V V V. Say V V V V. Say super cute baby voices.
Super cute baby voices.
Say it in a super cute baby voice. I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore. Hey, see now. Gotta keep okay. Anyways, no more. Wait, just wag your leg again.
Look at the car, guys.
No, we're not showing that because we might accidentally slow the license, but you know. Let's zoom into your face. Wait, oh my god. Be super kawaii. That's not kawaii. Say I'm super cute kawaii, Core.
I'm super cute kawaii.
Oh my god, stop swaying back and forth. I can't keep up. What are you doing? What you doing?
What did I do?
What did I do?
What did I do?
Wait, girl. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Okay, now come back. Oh.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go back.
Terrifying. Oh yeah, come at us. Oh my. Rosie, you ready for the last part of the video? You ready to see it?
Yes.
Are you scared?
Yeah.